Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to achieve Gamma 100 in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. This incredible setting makes your game world much brighter, allowing you to see perfectly in even the darkest caves or during the deepest night. Imagine exploring without a single torch. It's a fantastic way to enhance your gameplay experience, giving you a clear view of everything around you, day or night. Let's dive into how you can easily set this up. First, you'll need to locate your Minecraft game files. Open your device's file explorer, whether you're on a phone or a computer. From there, navigate to the Games folder and then open the Mojang directory. This is where Minecraft stores all its important data. Within Mojang, you'll find the Minecraft folder, which holds the specific settings we need to adjust. Take your time to find this exact path. Now that you've found the Minecraft folder, look for a file named Options.txt. Open this file using any basic text editor, like Notepad on Windows or a similar app on mobile. Once open, carefully scroll through the text until you find the line that starts with GFX Gamma. This is the setting we need to change. Simply modify the number next to GFX Gamma to read 100.0 to achieve that super bright effect. After you've changed the GFX Gamma value to 100.0, it's crucial to save the Options.txt file. Make sure you save it before closing your text editor. Once saved, you can close the editor and then launch your Minecraft Bedrock Edition game as usual. You'll immediately notice a dramatic difference. Your world will be incredibly bright, allowing you to see everything without any dark spots. Enjoy your newly illuminated adventures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.